Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my saving for the holidays. And I have $90 in prop money that I am working with. And let's get started. I believe we left off here, yes, for Father's Day. So let's put that back there. And let's get this scratching. All right, so this is created by Budget with Carly, says $50. And see, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that is a 5. So $5 is going in here. Next is Memorial Day. This is created by Snowgarner 307, says $30. 1, so let's go here. And this is a 4, so $4. And do we have $1? Yes, we do. So put $1 back and put a 5 in. Next we have is Thanksgiving. And this is created by Janelle Ray Budget, says 55. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, and that's $1. These has been some nice numbers. So that is $1. And I'm okay with putting in just $1 because this is, like I said, for Thanksgiving. That's a while away. Next we have is Black Friday, and this is created by Stuffing Budget, says 45. 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that is a 3. Perfect. So let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Let me see if I can. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Next is Christmas. And this is a scratch and save book created by Cajangirlcreates on Etsy. And it saved 700 plus. So let's see, 2. So let's go 1 and 2. And that is a 4. Perfect. So do I have $1? No. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Goodness, I got those 10s there. So let's see. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, what am I doing? I just leave it. All right. Next, we have a new challenge because we finished chip away. So now we have a new challenge here created by Bookish Mama Budgets. This is a summer vacation game board. So we still up in the air of what we are doing for the summer. So I just want to save a little bit just in case we decide on something. And I think we just go around the game board. So should I roll a 6-sided? Let's roll a 4-sided die. Let's see. That is a 1. So we start in here. Oh dear. What? Oh, now I have to play the shut the box. I thought that would just, oh gosh. Okay. Oh dear. We are playing shut the box. Here we go. this is fun. Okay. So we have 8. Okay. We have 5. This could be scary. Uh-oh. We have 11. So let's do 9 and 2. We have 6. Okay, we're doing good. Let's get a 7. We have 4. All right, come on, 7. And we have 4, 5, 6. No! Oh dear, can't shut the box, but we are saving $8, $9, $10, $11. Okay, not too bad. It could be worse. So $11. Okay, Miss Lindsay, this is fun. All right, so, and I think I got that in her, I'm part of her Kofi like membership, and I believe that's what I got in one of her monthly, with her monthly membership. So now it's What the Duck, created by Snowgarter 307, and this is What the Delay. So where did my hair go? Dice. So 3s, let's go 1, 2, and 3. And that is $1. And this goes towards any emergency or emergency/month ahead. So we put in $1. Put that in here. Let's see. We got 15, 17, 18, 19. I'm just 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So let me move this. So 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's grab this 10. Perfect. All right, so we are back to the beginning here. And we are here on Mother's Day. And this is created by Mystic Budgets. And it's a scratch and save and a roll and save. And let me get my 4-sided die. I'm just doing a roll and then, a scratch and a roll. So 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that is a 4. And let's do a roll. And that's a 4. So that's a total of $8. Okay, this side love the 4s. So $8. 5, 7, and 8. All right, let's see if I can grab. Yes, I can grab another 10. All right. All right, back to Father's Day. So let's scratch another one. 2. Let's do 1, 2. And that is a 2. So 1 and 2. And put these 5 back, grabbing the 10. Perfect. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And back to Memorial Day. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what am I doing? 1, 2, and 3. And that is a, look like, yeah, 5. So $5. Perfect. 1. Oh, let's see if we're gonna get. So we was here. Let's go here. Ooh, 8s. I knew it had to be some big numbers in here. Cause this was 55. So 8. Let me see. Do I have a $2? I'll just do 5, 7, 8. All right, see what Black Friday's getting. 2, let's do 1, 2. And that is $6. All right, it's 5 and 6. And back to Christmas. Oops. Did I? Oh, here we go. Black Friday. Hopefully I put the money in the right spot. All right. Back to Christmas. Oh, we still got a lot of money left. All right. 2. So 1, 2. And that's $1. All right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. All right, we back to this game board. I'm kind of nervous. But we got a lot of money. Not a lot of money, but you know. All right. One more space. Okay. Okay, $1. I like that. I can do that. So $1. Should I go again? I don't know. This is how I get in trouble. Because a shark is $5. But what if we get shut the box again? I'm nervous. All right, let's do it. 1. Oh, goodness. It's like words under here. What is this? Oh, roll and save. Okay, I can do that. I can definitely do that. So let's roll 6-sided die. And we got 5. So we are saving $5. And we are going to stop there. All right. And excuse if you guys can hear lawnmowers going in the background. The neighbors are being very disrespectful. I was playing. They don't have no idea I'm filming, but yeah, sorry about that, guys. Let's roll this What the Duck. So this page, I don't know what it says. Oh dear. So let's just go here. And that is a 6. All right. So, oops. 5 and 6. All right. And should I do, let's do one on this page too. This says 48. Let me see, I have 15, 16, 17, 18, $19 still. Let's, I'm gonna hold off because I can always use this as my catch-all. So, where should I do? Let's do, I'm just gonna scratch. Let's do this one here. And that is a 4. And because Mother's Day is coming up, so let's do 4. Let's do this one. Okay, that's 6. That's 6, and let's roll. Oh dear, it's like they right outside my window, really? Oh, another 4. I'm not making this up. That is a 4. So 4. So what I say? Oh dear, they made me forget. So that was $10, I believe. Oh. All right. And see, we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 left. Let's scratch one here for Father's Day. Let's do this one. Okay, and that's a 6. And we'll stop there. So 5 and 6. All right. See, I don't have this. Well, this is, let me, how much I have left. Oh no, only got $3 left. No, this is 1 through 5. But we will start there next time. So let me put my little flower there. We don't know the denominations on that one or this one. Christmas. What is the 1 through 9? Oh no. So it looked like we are, we're not doing that one again. We are going back to what, the duck. So that works out perfectly. So let's find a $3 bug. So $3 bug is, oh, it's a little, is this like a caterpillar? I think, I don't know. So what color should we do? Let's do this one. What color? I don't know. Ooh, I don't know, gems. Let's do it a light blue. I mean, a light green. Is this the right one? Yes. I think this is so cute. So cute. All right, and let's put that $3 here. Perfect. All right, that is all. All the money is in a sinking fund. We didn't complete any today, but that is okay. All right, gems. I want to thank everyone again for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.